Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can download Planet Coaster 2 on your computer. So first you just open a browser and from here search for Steam and go to the first result. This is the Steam result. Tap here and then you will find this website. What you have to do is just tap this install Steam logo, and again from here press this install Steam and then OK, open folder. So after you download the setup, this is how Steam look like. Just tap here and next, choose the language, next choose your location and install. Alright, so once you install Steam, this is the Steam. Just create a Steam account for the first time. If you are opening Steam for the first time, just create a Steam account. Okay, double click here and now as you can see, this is the Steam application. So what you have to do is just press this store and from here search for Planet Coaster 2. So yeah, this is the game. All right, just search for Planet Coaster 2. This will pop up. Tap here and this is the game. So what you have to do is just scroll down and then here you press this button, add to cart, and you will get this page. So now what you have to do again, you need to pay for the game. So once you have completed the payment, you will get the game in your library somewhere here. So just choose the game and then press the install button, then you will be able to enjoy the game. So yeah, this is how you play Planet Coaster 2 on your Windows computer.